Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Angie, and on my channel I like to do all things homemaking, especially cooking and decorating. I'm so happy to be back with you today after taking a month break. I hope you guys have had a wonderful past month. Today I'm going to be making a loaded keto chicken cauliflower rice casserole. And I will have this recipe in the description for you. But I started out by using my pressure cooker to cook 3 chicken breasts, and then I just shredded those up and I added some salt and pepper to that, and now I am just spraying oil in a casserole dish, and I'm going to add 12 ounces of a pack of rice cauliflower, and you don't have to thaw this out, you just dump it in there. You could add a little bit more if you wanted to, but that's what the recipe called for. And now I'm adding some Italian seasoning to this. Then I'm gonna get some cream cheese ready, and this calls for 4 ounces of cream cheese, and I'm just going to soften mine up in the microwave so it'll stir up in easier. And then you'll need 4 slices of bacon, and you're gonna cut that up and then cook it till crispy. So while that's cooking, I'm just gonna stir these ingredients together. And then you're gonna add 3/4 cups of cheese. I think the recipe called for less than that, but that really wasn't much cheese. And then 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. And now I'm just stirring in the 4 ounces of cream cheese here. It helps if you kind of soften it pretty good in the microwave. And then I'm gonna just stir that in. And now I'm adding in the 4 slices of cut up bacon. And you could use a rotisserie chicken for this if you don't want to go through cooking the chicken and stuff. So I mix that together well. Now I'm going to spread it into my casserole dish, and you want your oven set at 350. Make sure you get all the good stuff in there. And now I'm just going to kind of pack it down with my fork. And this casserole serves 4 people because it's a pretty thin layer. And then you're just gonna top it with the remaining cheese. It's about 1/2 cup of cheese, I guess. And you're gonna stick it in the oven for 20 minutes. And this is what it looks like when it's done. First time having this, we both liked it. We'll make it again. It was pretty easy lunch for us. So I just want to thank you for watching this today. I hope you have a great week. I'll be coming out with some new videos soon. See you soon. Bye.